Hello everyone. So if you need to change your home or even work address on the Google Maps on the Android phone, here's how to do that. First of all, let's open up our Google Maps, of course. There we are. Great. After it, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now, let's scroll down to the settings. Here we got locate, edit home or work. There it is. Let's open it up. So, in order to change your home and workplace, you are to tap on the three dots and here simply press edit home. You can also change your icon or remove it completely. So let's press edit home and now we can simply and drag this location pin to our new home if we moved, for example. So let's put it right here for example and simply press save. Now it's saved. The same with the work address. So three dots, remove work or edit work. Let's press edit work and now simply choose your new workplace. For example, we're working on the gas station now, so choose it, press save, and basically that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.